Hello family, welcome to the 𝙏𝙗𝙧 Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a keyboard on a LENOVO E470 series. And without further ado, let's start right away. Remember to practice switching off your machine before you start anything. So I will start right away by unscrewing these 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3. So let's start right away by unscrewing this. That is one. Unscrew the third one, and the second and third. After I'm done, I will open this cover right here, and I will isolate the keyboard screws. These ones, they are 1, 2. So I will unscrew those 2. This and this. Right now, let's go. Just unscrew this keyboard screw. It's 1 and 2. These are the only screws that hold the keyboard from the other side. So once we're done, I can put back the cover so that I don't allow any static energy in the movement. Then open it up, and I will get my pull socket, pull it a little gently push the keyboard side to side. Once that is done, open it slightly and gently, then flip it over. After flipping it over, I'll loosen that connector and loosen the second connector as well. So let's see if this is the keyboard, the old keyboard. I'll put it aside and I'll get my new one. This is the new one that I'll need to replace with the old. So I'll put the old away and do the same action. Put back the connectors, the first and second, gently. Connect it back gently. There is a line here, ensure that it's aligned properly. Then back, flip the keyboard back slightly inside. Once that is done, you press a little harder and then pull it back. Pull it back this side, back this side, back this side, back this side, back this side. Then cover and flip it the other side. Remove the cover again, and then return the screws, the 2 screws, yeah, that hold the keyboard. That is screw number 1, and then screw number 2, returned. Then put back the cover. Put back the cover. Put back the screws. Sorry. Put back the screws. Gently. Back the screws. And then back. The last one, pull it back also. it again, and boom. Switch it on to confirm whether the keyboard is working. I'll give it some time to restart. Boom. And I'll test to check whether it has worked perfectly well. And that's it for this video. I'll check and I'll confirm that it's working well. And that's it for this video. Thank you. If you enjoyed, kindly subscribe to my channel.